Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by opening Capcut and starting a new project so nothing mismatches later. Import every clip you plan to use, then set the aspect ratio, 16, 9 for YouTube, 9, 16 for Reels, because framing changes everything. Once done, drag your first 2 clips onto the timeline on different tracks or make one an overlay. This is the first actionable step towards split screen. You do this now so you can resize and position each clip independently in the next step. Next, focus on shaping and positioning. Select a clip, choose Edit, then Crop or Mask, and pick a rectangle or custom mask to make one half of the screen. Make sure to use Transform to resize and move to align the visible areas, and enable Snap so edges line up precisely. Once both clips sit side by side, add a thin border or background color to separate them visually. This avoids overlap and preserves heads and important elements within the safe frame. To finish, play the timeline and check sync, trimming or nudging clips so actions match. Use quick transitions if you need a smooth visual change. Then export with the correct resolution and bitrate for your target platform to avoid compression artifacts. If something goes wrong, here's a key troubleshooting tip. Mismatched aspect ratio or scale is the usual culprit. Reopen, transform, recrop, or reposition, and make sure both clips use the same scale reference, so edges.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.